How's it going? Adam Drake here, and today I want to talk about the new rear hub carriers that come on the MBX8R Nitro buggy. As you can see here, this is my MBX8T Nitro truck, and these hubs can be used on that as well as the electric car. So just want to talk a little bit about the tuning options though with the rear hubs. So if you're running the rear hubs with the 0 plates, which just have one notch here on the outside, it would be the same geometry as running the stock 2131 rear hubs. But there's a lot of tuning and a lot of options. So you can tune the camber link spacing front to back. You can tune by flipping these plates. So if you flip these plates to where the notch is on the inside, it'll then it'll shift all of these holes to like half holes or in between the 3 holes when the notch is on the outside. So it basically gives you 6 different camber link positions within this same range of these 3 holes by flipping it. Now, we also have the +3 plates, and the +3 plates will have all these same positions as far as the length of the camber link, but it's going to raise it 3 millimeters. Same thing, if you flip from the 3 notches on the outside to 3 notches on the inside, it gives you the half hole change in length. But today I'm going to mainly just talk about when or why you would want to run the 0 plates versus the +3 plates. So our normal or standard settings would be to use the 0 plates. That's basically the geometry that we've been using kind of the last year with our current setups. But at DNC, the track was really high speed, also really bumpy, and we ended up using the +3 plates on Nitro buggy, electric buggy, and also Nitro truck, even electric truck as well. And the reason for that is when you raise this link on the outside, you're raising the roll center. Raising the roll center is going to make it have a little bit less roll or stiffer resistance when rolling, which is going to give it more support, but it will also give it more camber rise. So as the suspension is going from fully extended to fully compressed, the wheels have camber rise or camber gain. And the higher this plate is, the more camber rise or camber gain you're going to have as it's going through the travel. So again, DNC, super high speed, really bumpy. You're really working and using the suspension. And by going to the taller +3 plates, it gave the rear end a little bit more support. But then as it went through the suspension travel and as you were kind of pounding your way through bumps, the outer edge of the tire didn't want to catch as much because the tire was then leaned over slightly more. So I would say in most normal conditions, again, the 0s would be kind of the go-to, but if you're in kind of more bumpy conditions, the +3s are a good option. And it also will depend some on the hub height. So we've been running the hub drop down, which lowers the roll center, and these plates then raise the roll center back up, give it more camber rise. So it's kind of like when you're looking for a direction to get to someplace you've never been. Like there's a lot of options. There's a lot of different roads that you can take to get there. But for us, the way we've been running it lately has been hub drop down, which gives it more forward bite, the 0 plates, and then when it gets bumpy, we go to the +3 plates. So just wanting to give a little bit more information on some of the new products that we have from Mugen. And like I said, this is all pertaining to the new rear hub carrier that comes in the MBX8R Nitro buggy. And just want to explain that it can be used in any of the other Mugen vehicles as well.